Hi, I'm Liz and I bought a 32-foot project canal boat for my first home. Two things I've always wanted in life, to be mortgage free and to be able to travel. Buying a canal boat seemed the perfect idea. Follow me as I restore her into a luxurious home on a budget and explore the British waterways. Wayne's here at last!
How are you doing?
Oh, so happy you're here!
Moving the chimney for you.
Really? Yay!
Quick question. Why do you get more thinner on the roof than the holes?
What?
Why do you get more thinner on the roof than the holes?
That's where I sat on it.
No comment.
Honestly, I spent ages smoothing some and then I sat on it and then I've been shuffling all over the rest of the boat, so...
Hey,
Yeah.
looking different. Looking better, right?
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Oh, I love the t-shirt, Wayne.
What?
Representing Wayne's Boat Services. Find him on Facebook. Wayne is here, which is really, really cool. Steve's here. All systems go. I've been to Halfords and Wickes this morning to get some more supplies for the filling and painting and all that shizness. And I'm just really excited to get cracking on. It feels really good today. I feel like we've made loads of progress and Wayne's here for the next week, so I'm really chuffed. Get started. Oh, the fish closes. So down here, we found a lot of water. Oh no. So what we're doing is we're making 2 entry hatches so we can, I can, yeah, just to inspect and to, so going down the line I can check into my bilge anyway, but we're going to get a bilge pump and empty that up. I'm going to do more filling.
Huh?
What are you doing today?
Standing the skis and then I'll finish doing all the filling that you've started.
Woo! Let's do this. No! No!
Yes.
It wasn't like that
But
when
you wanted a jacuzzi, you've got one.
It wasn't like that when we put the floor down. It was dry.
Wet now.
Why?
A bit moist in it.
How?
Just sea fish from the back end of it. Getting in
How do we empty it then?
I can bilge it, I've got a bilge pump it now. So I can bilge pump it out.
Would that normally happen anyway when I'm on the canal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna get water.
Such a
bilge
weird
now, aren't you?
feeling though. I feel like I'm just going to be like living on the docks somehow.
You know, yeah. Well, that's it. We always get water in bilges anyway. You do get water in.
Yeah. Okay, what we're doing with the water underneath, getting a bilge pump tomorrow, can't get one today. Well, he's got one, but we need the pipe, so getting all that sorted tomorrow for tomorrow. Right now, we're just going to crack on.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is like a bit of hull damage. What we're going to do is that we're going to grind it back as much as we can and then re-epoxy it. That's one issue, but the good thing about fiberglass boats is that they're pretty straightforward to sort out. Okay, so it's been one of those days when you want to achieve a goal, you find something else that you need to do. But we've had good progress today. Looking forward to Monday. We're going to start priming and painting the areas. The places that need a bit of repair work, we're going to leave, and then we're going to paint over them when we come back. What?
I'm going to say something.
Go on, say it. Say it. You said it now. What is it you need?
Yeah, go on, come here for now.
I told you, it's this thing. I just distract people.
Jigsaw.
I've distracted myself.
You're singing that funny song.
Put some music on for him. Another thing that's really good, we found these 2 pipes underneath the boat, which we're going to use for the handrails. That saved us like 200 quid, which is grand. And we're just figuring out how to properly paint it. Oh, we're just all very tired. While I have you here, you know I work as an illustrator. If you would like a painting, send me an email at EarleWrites@gmail.com. I'll leave a link and I'd love to paint something for you. Okay, so we're just trying to drain the boat at the moment because it's full of water. And we're still waiting for the pipe and the new bilge pump, so we're just doing a bit of a bodge job. We've got one of Wayne's bilge pumps and we've just found a load of old pipes, stuck them together with Jubilee clips. Now Wayne is being Victor Frankenstein right now. Oh.
Get comfy.
Yeah. Whoa! Right, okay. I don't really know what to say. It's a lot of water. Feels so good though, knowing that it's all going to be gone. Right, got soapy water, just go around the sides. Then I do white spirit. Got a beer.
One, two, three, four. What do you do with a knackered old barge boat? Stick her in a workshop and paint her a new coat. Bang her in a canal and see if she floats early in the morning. Hooray, Leviathan rises, hooray, Leviathan rises, hooray, Leviathan rises early in the morning. Make yourself a sarnie with the bread from the market, then feed the ducks with the leftover bread bits. Have a cup of tea with a lovely little biscuit early in the morning. Hooray, Leviathan rises, hooray, Leviathan rises, hooray, Leviathan rises early in the morning. Put the dog on board and make her the captain. She'll do alright if you don't let a cat in. Then sit down, have another cup of tea again early in the morning. Hooray, up she rises, hooray, Leviathan rises, hooray, Leviathan rises early in the morning.
So we're going to leave the nose. There's just like a couple of deep scratches I'd like to get filled in before painting it. So, feels good. Okay, we're just removing the engine now because the back structure, if you remember, was rotten. So we're removing it to... Well, we're removing it. I don't need to give a reason. And Wayne's going to be making a new structure with some new wood, because it's the original ones from the 90s. Should be good.
Let's put it in there, I'll come down.
Going down.
Go down! Go down! I'm still going down!
Yeah.
Wayne's Boat Services is available for work. If you pay him lots of money.
I'm cheap. I'm a man.
Is it good?
Good engine, Yummy, isn't it?
Doesn't look too old.
One of the best engines at Yummy.
So just looking over the engine, see what parts we need to get for it, just to give it a bit of TLC. So it needs a lot of stuff. We're just doing like a service on it, sort of thing.
There's fuel lines and whatnot, wiring connected back up. The shuts off and that, electric start, the service. There was a lot of oil in it, a bit too much oil in it.
Yeah.
All good and clean. Won't know until we give it a fire up anyway. We give it a service and fire it up.
Let's have a guess. So you
15 horses.
So you think 2002? What do you think, Steve?
2000.
2000. I reckon it's 2006.
So Yamaha 1588, which is good. 15 horses.
I'm guessing 2006. I have nothing.
Well out.
What is it?
97.
97. That's from 1997.
No, yeah, 97.
It can't be, can it? It looks too new for 97. You're right! Shocking. It looks good though.
7 kilograms in weight.
I'd say it looks good because you should have seen the state of my outboard from the past. And this is the state of... Oh. Is that wood you're pulling off or metal?
Metal.
Great.
I can make a new one then if need be.
Once again, another repair job. Repair jobs just seem to slow things down, but I think it's really good and it's really positive. What are you pulling it up? Oh no!
It's not as bad as you think.
We'll just start afresh. Starting afresh is always good.
Well, fresh boat.
Fresh boat. So
Whoa, hold that ladder.
hello, darling. Oh, we've got a new pair of dungarees on. Nice. Where's this bit of wood come from? This is nice. Okay, wine.